37 of I would like to now invite.
And they also exist in the absence of regulatory frameworks that protect. We should say, the Prime Minister has called constitutional review, electoral bodies, and follow sharing.
We want to work together as humanitarians with the development partners so that while at the same time as responding to immediate humanitarian needs, we're implementing longer-term solutions to build resilience. We want to work behind the framework set by the government to agree the measurable results to achieve between now and 2022.
Leading on an era of hazard prevention, and we would be one of the anchors in realizing recovery.
Our Minister of Agriculture is aiming
at best practices for the process through an honesty of the Dina and Arab for clarity. The recurring nature of one, development of the recovery vision, guiding principles.
As we meet here at the beginning of 2018, we should therefore look back with some satisfaction at having proven, first of all, the capacity of the government to lead the nation through this tough period, the capacity of the government also to bring together an international community and rapidly align resources and capacities to deal with this issue.
Drought. So in concrete figures, from 3.1 million to 2.7 million, and these are still very, very significant figures. One of the particular concerns that took 4 failed rainy seasons for us to reach the country and the ability of Somalia to stand on its own feet again. Issue linked to urbanization and to the social transformation of this state.
With a substantial number of our population impacted by the 2016-2017 drought, and with anticipation of yet another poor rainy season in a few months, we cannot downplay the continued need for a forward-looking plan with concerted effort from all of us.
Of our activities, working closely with NGOs, working closely with partners that we work with are increasingly including local partners.
Greatly contribute to the improvement.
Support, and I want to name some names, so please bear with me. Encouraging the team and always being there. In the values that our life circles produced. Nonetheless, one into Somalia and Somalis.
Between the HRP, the RRF, planning, colleagues from the federal member states.
The situation facing the population of this country is truly terrible, as we all know. Especially minority groups like IDPs and people freshly displaced in cities, living on land with no security, no certainty, and so on. I'm particularly worried about children and women and groups like that.
And therefore want to compliment both Somali national priority
to take part of solving which we will rehabilitate the water channels of the Shirka.
And Muqdisho, Your Excellency, in this regard, the of the conference once again, and also appreciate.